morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're watching me from. This is Sam Ongoro. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. The YouTube name is Sam Ongoro. Now, today I want to introduce you to a nest and the eggs of a particular bird. The name of the bird is Peter's finfoot. And the nest is usually built amongst frayed debris caught up in the branches of a tree or a bush overhanging water. The normal clutch is 2 eggs. And a finfoot bird is an aquatic bird of the tropical and some subtropical family Helionididae, having broadly robbed toes, a long, slender head and neck, and pale brown plumage. That is a bird by name finfoot. This bird, what you're seeing there, it is nest and the eggs there. There are 2 eggs there. It's called finfoot. It's FINFOOT. Finfoot. Peter's finfoot kind of bird, and their nest is usually built amongst flat debris caught up in the branches of a tree or a bush.